Hello BAT community, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and as the auction is set to close within the next few hours, I figured I would use this opportunity to showcase this beautiful car one last time and to thank everybody for all of the interest, all of the comments, the bids, etc. As I've said in the comments, in videos, this is one of the best vehicles ever offered from the MS Classic Cars collection. I believe it to be one of the best 67 Mustangs on the planet. We have gone through this vehicle completely in our service department, which is documented with an invoice. Please reference that so the new owner has no concerns. We've detailed it to the highest level. I will personally take care of all of your paperwork. Again, referencing the new owner. I will also make sure to assist with the enclosed shipping in the lower 48 United States. And once the vehicle is loaded inside the trailer, we will make sure that the driver does not touch the vehicle. We will cover it with plastic so it arrives at your doorstep exactly the way that you see it here today. And again, I'll say it over and over, upon delivery, once you do your mechanical inspection and your first test drive, if this vehicle needs anything, I will cover the parts and the labor. We are that confident in MS Classic Cars. This is a huge opportunity. Don't miss it right here, right now, today. And as always, rock and roll.